Hi, how you doing? I'm going to talk to you today about mindset. It's taking too long. Sometimes we can really lack patience. Patience, there's an I in there. We can really, really lack patience. Really, in essence, you're building something that lasts. You're becoming. And a lot of times we lose patience. It's taking too long, Theresa. I haven't gotten a deal yet, Theresa. I've been at this a week, a month, a year, sometimes 5 years. Whatever that is, there is a learning curve to everything. I was on a coaching call with my students last night, and that's what I talked about. There's a learning curve. All of us had to go through a learning curve. I didn't just all of a sudden wake up one day and boom, got my first deal. It didn't happen that way. There was a learning curve. And a lot of us can come from a place of, it's taking too long. We want everything now. Chop, chop, let's go, come on. When the reality of it is that you're building something that lasts. Whether it's your real estate portfolio, whether you're wholesaling, fix and flipping, you're wholetailing, whether you're doing the buy and hold, whether you're doing multifamily, whatever it is, you're building something that's going to last. You're becoming something, you're becoming a different version of yourself. Because every time when we come out, we go, well, it's taking too long, all of a sudden, we take a shortcut, we deviate, and then we get even further from where it is that we want to go. So really coming from a place of having the patience and understand that you're becoming something that you never were. You have no idea who you're going to be tomorrow, and you're better than what you were yesterday. I always tell my students, be 1% better than what you were yesterday. 1%. It's not a pie in the sky, but it's going to take patience. It's going to take you being gentle with yourself, patience as you're learning wholesaling, patience as you're learning to get into fix and flips, whatever that is. Even, telling my students that, be patient with yourself. Having the patience and again, changing that mindset, right? You're building something that lasts. This isn't where, it's a 2-second thing and you're in and out. This isn't an injection. It's not a needle. This is your life. This is your life by design that you're building. You're building something that's going to last. The knowledge that you're learning is going to last. Your portfolio, you want to make it to last. Not just buy, turn around and go, okay, you know what? I'm impatient. I see a deal, or I think it's a deal. And boom, I'm going to get it. An investor called me the other day, and we're going over a deal that she's trying to do. And I'm like, that isn't a deal. But I haven't gotten a deal yet. Patience. Patience. We don't just run and jump. That's not going to get us anywhere. That's going to get us off the cliff. That's going to get us right off